In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the static event card in your template. This is a custom-built block for our templates. If you go to Add Block and search for Event, you will see the event card option. This is the static event card. We have already used it in a custom section, and you can see this is the static event card. When I go into the settings, you can see the default Kajabi section options, such as column layout for desktop and mobile. We also have specific options for the event. You can upload an image, and this image will appear on the right side of the event card. We also have a date option that will show at the top left. After that, we have the name of the event followed by the address. We also have a label option. When you add a label, it will appear above the event title. This is the event label. Additionally, we have an option to add a link to the card. When you add a link, the entire event card becomes clickable. We also have an option to upload an address icon. By default, if you don't upload an icon, a map icon will be shown automatically. These are the basic settings. Now let's move to the typography options. This section controls the typography for the event card. We use predefined text styles here, so the typography automatically follows the global font settings. You don't need to worry about setting font sizes or styles manually. We also have color options. For example, this is the color for the event time, which appears above the event title. Then we have color options for the event name and the event label. Now let's look at the background options. These are custom background options that are available for all of our blocks, and they are very easy to use. You can use predefined colors from the global settings, and you also have the standard background options that are available for Kajabi blocks. That's it. You can use this static event card for any type of event, or you can get creative and use it for other purposes as well. See you in the next video.